Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If this is your first time of stopping by, I say welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel, join the green family. I say thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you for all your support. I really appreciate them and I can see them. So for this style, I'm starting off by marking my half length, which is 11 inches plus 1 inch allowance for joining. Then for my shoulder measurement, my shoulder is 12 inches divided by 2. That is 6 plus half inch allowance for joining as well. That same 6 inches is what I'm going to go down with for my armhole depth. I'm sorry for the marking for the color of the chalk is not really showing, but when you pay attention you're going to get what I'm saying. So I inserted my bust measurement at the armhole line, and that's what I did for the front part. Then for the back part, the only thing I did is also to cut out that same measurement, including 1 inch allowance for my zipper. Then for the down part, I marked the remaining length, that's the full length, 27 inches minus 11 plus 2 inches allowance for joining, and that's what I marked here, and I got that measurement just for my for the gathers down. So for us to get the style at the upper bodice, I will use my pin to hold in my zipper allowance. Then join the two fabric together, shoulder to shoulder. Put the fabric together, front facing the front. Then I mark to get the center of the fabric. This will enable me get the neckline that I wanted, which is 3 inches from the center part of the fabric, and I'm going to slant this all the way to the shoulder, to the armhole, and that's it. Exactly what I did. So I'm holding in my zipper allowance so that it's going to help me to shape in the exact measurements of my daughter. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to insert my measurement and then sew the two sides. So for us to get the design at the neck part, I'm going to measure this neck area, round the neck area. Whatever I get, I'm going to use that same measurement to get my gathers. Depending on how full you want it, you can double the measurement or you can triple it, or whatever you want to do, depending on how full you want it to be. So what I did for the length of the gathers at the neck part is 6 inches. I marked 6 inches. That 6 inches, I'm going to fold in a little bit of it, then gather it and attach to the neckline. And the fabric is also 2, so I'm going to join it together before gathering it or before folding it. And also folded in the armhole by fabric bias. If you look close, you're going to see a mistake here. I'm supposed to turn this thing to the other side before top stitching it, so do not make the same mistake as me. So what I did is just to top stitch it, then attach this red fabric, then make my bow at the center, and also gather the center, the remaining part of that's the down bodies, gather it and attach to it. And that's what I did. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Do not leave today without subscribing. Please join the growing family, support my channel, hit on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like my video please, and share with family and friends, and I will see you in my next video.